Introducing Dino Time. This stamp set is just adorable. I think this is perfect for little kids, but you could also use it for others as well. I think it's kind of timeless, these guys. Just look at this little guy's smiley face. Isn't it adorable? So this set has got 5 dinos. We've got a pterodactyl up here. We've got a T-Rex, a Stegosaurus. I think this is a Bronchosaurus. Is that what it's called? And a Stegosaurus. Don't quote me on those. All I know is that they're super cute. This set also has got some solid images where you can build some trees. They look kind of like a palm tree effect, and they have the solid image here for a tree trunk, so you can stamp these in brown if you want to go classic with some green leaves. Or, of course, the prehistoric ages, how do we know that it was green and brown? You could do it some funky colours, maybe like pink leaves or something. That'd be really fun. So you've got 2 different sizes. We've got the large one and a small one, and they kind of bend in different directions so that you can get more styles out of this stamp set. And there's also a collection of little elements in this set. For example, we have a small dino print here, an outline one. And then we've also got 2 solid dino prints. So these are joined together so you can create little footprints across your card. We've got some solid images here to create like a stone effect on your ground, little boulders here as well. And in addition to that, we've got 3 solid hearts, which I think are adorable. We've got a selection of sentiments here, and they have lots of punny sentiments. For example, this one here is hilarious. Jurassic, get better soon. And of course brings in the Jurassic theme here. We've also got have a terrific day with the P being silent for pterodactyl. And then you're pretty roarsome and you make my heart soar. So it's nice generic sentiments here to use with your dinos. And I just think they are so adorable. And this set goes really well with some other elements and some other products in our collection. For example, the Prehistoric Pals set goes really well with this. And we've also got a selection of stencils and dies, which will bring these little guys to life. Check it out.